How to enable picture-in-picture on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to enable picture-in-picture on YouTube. Firstly, go to settings on your device. Scroll down, tap apps, open app management, locate YouTube application on your device. Tap on it and open app info page of YouTube. Scroll down, tap picture in picture and toggle on the button of picture in picture. This will allow the app to create a picture in picture window while the app is open or after you leave it. For example, to continue watching a video, this window will be displayed on top of other apps you are using. So if it is toggled off the slide, then you need to tap on the button and toggle it on. This will help us to enable picture-in-picture on our YouTube application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos.